wind of fate howled in my face, bearing cracks, no life, no trace. I fell, I broke, I bled, but roots don't die, they spread. I grew in the rock where nothing should thrive. I rose from the dust where hope don't survive. Back from the shadows where the darkness fed. I am the proof you can rise from the dead. Jagged stones cut deep my skin.